Get ready to elevate your pasta game. Homemade pasta sauce that's so delicious, you might ditch the jarred stuff forever. Let's get started. You'll need a mix of veggies, a can of whole tomatoes, tomato paste, red wine, and flavorful herbs. In a large pot, brown a pound of ground beef. A mix with Italian sausage really adds a depth of flavor. Now dice up those veggies for the next step. Remove the beef and sauté your veggies with minced garlic and herbs. Add a half cup of red wine and let it reduce. Return the beef to the pot and add your tomato paste and tomatoes. Bring to a boil and then let simmer for an hour. Plate with your favorite pasta and top with a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan. And pasta night just got amazing. Keep it fresh with By the Dish.